Almost half of global investors turn to crypto as hedge against inflation, survey shows. Crypto adoption. Inflation. Latin America has become a cultural hub for crypto, with memecoin ownership rising to 34% and 63% of new users motivated by passive income. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. About author. Shalini is a crypto reporter who provides in-depth reports on daily developments and regulatory shifts in the cryptocurrency sector. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 8 hours ago. Nearly half of global crypto users now see digital assets as a way to guard against inflation, a sharp rise from earlier in the year, according to a new survey by MEXC. The exchange's Q1-Q2 2025 report published Thursday found that 46% of users cited crypto as an inflation hedge, up from 29% in the first quarter. The shift shows growing anxiety over persistent price pressures and currency weakness worldwide. East Asia recorded the steepest increase, with the share of users citing crypto as an inflation shield jumping from 23% to 52%. The Middle East also saw a notable rise, climbing from 27% to 45%, showing the link between macroeconomic stress and digital asset adoption. Memecoin craze grows in Latin America. South Asia pushes for financial independence. Latin America, meanwhile, has emerged as a cultural hub of crypto. Ownership of memecoins such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu rose from 27% to 34%, while 63% of new users said passive income was their main motivation for entering the market. In South Asia, younger mobile-first populations are driving activity. Spot trading rose to 52%, up from 45%. Moreover, more than half of the respondents cited financial independence as their main motivation. Futures trading was also strong, with South Asia at 46% compared with a global average of 29%. Bitcoin and Ethereum still core holdings as stablecoins balance risk. Public chain tokens such as Bitcoin and Ethereum remain the backbone of global portfolios, held by more than 65% of investors. Confidence was highest in Latin America and Southeast Asia, where long-term belief in blockchain infrastructure remains firm. Stablecoin holdings remain steady at about 50% worldwide. This shows that investors are balancing caution with a search for yield. The survey showed sharp differences across regions. In South Asia and Southeast Asia, investors leaned heavily into futures trading. Meanwhile, Latin America shifted toward safer, lower-risk approaches. Wealth distribution is also changing. High-value wallets above $20,000 fell in East Asia from 39% to 33%, reflecting regulatory pressure and profit-taking. At the same time, mid-tier wallets grew, indicating a broader spread of assets across retail participants. Rising inflation fears push more investors toward crypto for wealth protection. Analysts say more investors now see crypto as a hedge against inflation. This reflects a wider distrust of fiat currencies. In places where exchange rates are weakening or inflation is persistent, digital assets are increasingly viewed as a store of value, even with their volatility. Looking ahead, MEXC expects wealth protection to become the main reason for new users by the third quarter if global macro pressures continue. At the same time, futures and margin trading are likely to grow as the bull cycle matures. Traders are seeking more structured ways to capture yield. Retail enthusiasm is also shifting. Memecoins and new narratives such as AI-linked tokens are expected to fuel short-term inflows. However, public chain tokens are set to remain the backbone of investor portfolios. Crypto adoption is evolving in different ways and paces across the world, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach, said Tracy Jean, Chief Operating Officer at MEXC. She noted that regional patterns range from inflation hedges in East Asia to community-driven growth in Latin America. The survey results come as inflation remains stubborn in many parts of the world. For investors, crypto is no longer seen only as a speculative tool. It is also becoming an alternative instrument to protect wealth from the erosion of purchasing power. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin, and Picoin by the end of 2025 breaking. Fed cuts rates by 25 bps. Bitcoin and crypto market reaction. Live new ChatGPT model predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Pepe by the end of 2025. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Pepe by the end of 2025. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Solana by the end of 2025. Industry talk. XRP price prediction. XRP ETF set to launch this week. $100 breakout finally coming? 22 hours ago. By Harvey Hunter. Price analysis. Shiba Inu price prediction. SHIB whales move 7 trillion tokens overnight. Big crash or massive rally next. 1 day ago. By Alejandro Arich. Industry talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for September 17, 2025. Crypto market rebounds as Bitcoin tops $116,000 ahead of Fed rate call. 1 day ago. By Jai Pratap. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 8 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 4 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 16 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 11 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025. By Ben Beto.